Hello friends. In Turkey, the graduate programs are split into the thesis and non-thesis programs. In the duration of their programs, students must complete at least 7 lessons, 1 seminar lesson and a thesis for the thesis program. For the completion of the non-thesis program, at least 10 lessons and a term project is required. The graduate program is a 2-year program. Please watch our other videos for more detailed information on Turkey scholarship programs. We wish you all a good day.